Hello guys, welcome to my channel Aloryx. Today I'm back with another unboxing, this Soundcore Life Note. Let's get straight into the unboxing. Before that, let's see what's on the box. 40-hour playtime is highlighted here. Qualcomm Aptx system for low latency mode is also available. 4 mics for clear calls, 10 minutes charge can give you 1 hour playtime. It is also IPX5 water resistant. There are more specifications written in the back side of the box. Now let's unbox the device. Let's keep that aside. And here is a first look at Soundcore Life Note. There are some instructions and manual. A Type-C cable, 4 extra ear tips, and the device itself. When we turn it back, there are some instructions to pair the device. Now let's peel the sticker off, and this is the most interesting part of unboxing a device. And here's a first look at the Soundcore Life Note. Here it is. The Soundcore Life Note is available in 2 colors, the black and the white. It has a Soundcore branding at the top and a Type-C port at the bottom. The lid closes with a satisfying click with the help of magnets. Now let's open the device and peel off the sticker at the back. As you can see, there is 2 white lights at the bottom of the device. Life Note have 2 microphones on each earphone, which helps in crystal clear calls with noise reduction. They have 7 hours of music playtime and extended 40 hours with the charging case. Now let's see how it connects to the phone. When we take out these 2 TWS, in less than 5 seconds, it's connected to the phone. The pairing is so simple. Now let's talk about specs. 7-hour playback without charging case, extended 40 hours with the case, Type-C charging, and 10 minutes of charging gives 1 hour playback. Has easy pairing. It has great sound quality with graphene drivers, crystal clear sound via 4 microphones with noise cancellation, IPX5 water resistant, Qualcomm Aptx system for low latency sound. It takes approximately 2 hours to charge the case with the earphone in it. The earphone also comes with 18 months of warranty. This product is perfect for this price range because it is providing the best sound and build quality for this price. That's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day. And for my upcoming videos, subscribe to Aloryx.